Find or read reviews that people are talking about MOTORBUDDY pool brush head for cleaning pool walls, heavy-duty in-ground above-ground swimming pool scrub brushes for Pebble Tech. Premium strong bristle and reinforced, aluminium, back. See illustrations with descriptions. We will present some outstanding or some interesting features. Because the product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Round ends pool brush head. 2 ends with round bristles ideal for cleaning pool corners, and curved areas especially koi pond with Pebbles Tech, from any angle. 17-inch wide sweep area makes it an efficient pool brush for cleaning pool walls and floors. Enhanced and curved bristles. 7 rows of premium curved nylon bristles, to contact the pool bottom and walls as much as possible during cleaning process, strengthen cleaning effect. Extra sturdy and reinforced design. Durable pool brush and handle are integrated to bear the heavy strength during cleaning. Aluminum handle is angled at 45 degrees to present the pool brush in an ideal position for easy pushing and effective cleaning. Clean and save pool liner. The swimming pool brush head with high-quality nylon material bristle is softer than other pool metal bristles, enough to maintain resilience while cleaning the swimming pool. Which save your swimming pool liner. Wide application. The pool brush head for cleaning walls and floors quickly. This pool net widely applied to clean swimming pool, pond, hot tub, fountain, or large fish tank. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.